Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today we got a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to get a better spot in line in Fall Guys. If you notice in the races, sometimes you'll be placed in the back of the group, and that is a huge disadvantage because that could be the difference between you being in first or you being stuck in a massive group of people at the back. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say today's video is sponsored by TikTok Kingdom, and if you guys don't know, TikTok Kingdom is an amazing shop that sells tons of TikTok accessories, all for cheap prices. So make sure you guys go down to tiktokkingdom.shop and go cop yourself some awesome TikTok accessories for very cheap prices. I'm pretty sure the entire store is on sale right now. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you're wondering why every single time in Fall Guys that you spawn at the back of the line, the reason is because of connection. This is a huge issue that's going around in the Fall Guys community, is that people are very angry that they see these streamers and they're always first in line every single time, and then they go to their PS4 and play Fall Guys and they're last in line, and they're wondering, why is this? Why are my favorite streamers always first in line and I'm always in the back? Well, the reason actually isn't because of luck, it's because of connection. The better connection that you have will put you in the front of the line. Basically, the quicker you load into the game, the better position you will have in Fall Guys. It really sucks because people with better connection are going to have a better advantage in the game Fall Guys, but here's some things that you guys can do to improve your connection so you guys can have a better spot in line. So some of those things could include getting a Ethernet cable instead of using Wi-Fi, possibly moving your router closer to your setup, or just getting a better Wi-Fi package could all help increase your connection speeds and get you that better spot. But at the end of the day, Fall Guys is just a fun party game, and honestly, your place in line shouldn't be a huge deal. Like, at the end of the day, you're still gonna catch a dub every once in a while, even if you're at the back of the line. It's not the biggest deal, but I do understand you guys' frustration with constantly being at the back. So I hope this helped, and I hope it helped you understand why you're in the back of the line at Fall Guys. If it did, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and check out tiktokkingdom.shop. Thanks. See you guys later.